Welcome everyone. Question on CFAC. The value of the crystal field stabilization energy of the coordination entity NiCl4 2- is. Choices are A minus 0.4 delta T, B minus 0.8 delta T, C minus 1.2 delta T, D minus 2.4 delta T. Answer is B minus 0.8 delta T. Explanation we will see in the next slide. The coordination entity is NiCl4 2-. So the oxidation state of nickel is +2. Therefore, it is a D8 system. This tetrahedral complex is a high-spin complex. For the D8 system, splitting of the d orbitals is 2 e orbitals, which are dz² and dx² minus y², and 3 t2 orbitals, which are dxy, dyz and dxz. The D8 system contains 8 electrons. The distribution of electrons is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Therefore, the electron configuration is E4 T2 4. CFAC is equal to minus 0.6 into 4 for 4 electrons in the e orbitals, plus 0.4 into 4 for 4 electrons in the t2 orbitals into delta T is equal to minus 0.8 delta T. Thank you for watching this video.